guys, welcome to my channel. Oh my god. I've been wanting to record myself doing my makeup and upload it to YouTube for years, but I've always been so shy. I don't even know why, because it's not like anyone's watching me, no one's here. I'm by myself. But anyways, this is the very first video that I do. Many of you have me on Facebook, or you have me on Instagram, or you have me somewhere, and you know that I was going to do this video. I recorded this look. It's a very festive. I feel like this is perfect for the holidays just because it does have a lot of red. It'll match with a lot of your outfits, your Christmas outfits, if you're taking Christmas photos. If you want to see how I achieved this look, just go ahead and keep on watching. MERCIER translucent powder. I really like this powder because it doesn't give you a white cast, especially in photos. If you're taking like flash photography, it's not going to look white. I really like that one. I use that one a lot on clients just because I know that usually they're going to events and stuff. They're either brides or they're going to weddings, and some powders are going to give you that white look, and that's not good. Okay, so I'm going to go in with the Shade and Light palette from Kat Von D. Mine is so messy. Everything's in reverse. I'm like, where is the camera? Oh my gosh. This one right here. I start like at the very top of my ear and I go down to the center of the eye. I try not to go past the eye. For highlight, I'm going to be using the AMREEZY highlighter. Sometimes I wet the brush. You really don't need to do that. That's just if you want to do something super highlighted. This is like my favorite part, honestly, of my entire face. It's so pretty. It just gives you a nice glow. So for my brows, I'm going to be using the DIPBROW pomade from ANASTASIA. My shade is medium brown. This is the Morphe M158. Who knows what those numbers mean? I don't know. I don't care, but this brush is bomb. You just put it in here to outline the bottom of my brow, then the top, and then I just fill in the tail. And then whatever's left on my brush, I'll do in the inner corner just so that that can be a little bit lighter than the rest of my brow. I really don't like for the very tip of my brow to be so defined. Some people do. That's cool too, but I personally do not like that, so I just stick to this area right here and just kind of try to get a nice tail. So now that I just defined my brows, I did clean them up around the edges with a little bit of concealer that I used under my eyes. The Shape Tape, I use this for so many things. I use it for brightening up under my eyes. Of course, I use it for priming my eyeshadows. It's really good for that. You just put a little bit right here and you can use it as a primer for your eyeshadows. I also like to use it to cut the crease of my eyeshadows if I'm doing a look like that, which I think today I am going to be doing a cut crease. I'm going to be using the Modern Renaissance palette just because so many people have this palette and it's so beautiful. I know that they have had it out for like a really long time already, so if you don't have this already, you need to get it. It's so pretty. Okay, so I'm just going to start with the eyes. So let's begin. I'm going to start off with a big blending brush like this one, and I'm going to take Golden Ochre, which is this one right here. So I'm just going to be grabbing some, and I'm going to be using this as my base shade and as a transition shade. I'm going to kind of do like a winged out cut crease. It's not going to be connected down here, so it's just going to be the crease area. So I'm not going to really blend down this way. I don't need shadow there. I'm just going to end up wiping it off. So again, I'm just going to be going into the crease and maybe like extend it a little bit upwards towards the brow, kind of like in a wing shape. so now that I have that, I'm going to take another blending brush, but this one's smaller. I'm going to be taking the shade Love Letter onto the MAC 217. And this one, I'm going to do the same shade, that cat eye, but I'm just going to go right into the crease, and I'm not going to blend this one out so much downwards. You're just going to want to blend this upwards, because whatever is going to be down here is going to be concealed. Since I am doing a cut crease, you're not even going to be able to see it. You don't really have to worry about going down too low onto the eyelid. Just go blend upwards to the brow. And so that's kind of the shape you want. You just want to outline your crease, and since I am doing a cat eye look, I'm going to go upwards here towards the brow. I'm going to go and extend it towards the brow a little bit. So now that you kind of have that shape on both eyes, I'm just going to go in with another blending brush into the shade Venetian Red. And I'm going to start in the inner corner. I think you're going to see that the shadow that's here on my lid is not even going to show anymore, so that's why I said it doesn't have to be perfect, because you're going to hide it. This is so inexpensive. It's around $3. It's super fine. It has a super fine brush. As you can see, you can do any kind of wing that you want. You can do it thin, you can do it thick, you can do whatever you like. So I'm just going to be applying these lashes right here. And then basically I just need to do a lip color and I'll be done. That learned a few things, or if not, you can just create this if you already know how to do it. I hope that it inspired you to do some reds on the eyes. I know it's not a very popular color to use, but it's beautiful. So if you enjoyed watching this video, please like it, please subscribe to my channel. I know this is my very first video that I'm uploading. Hopefully I can do a lot more. So I'm trying not to be weird, guys. I'm trying not to be weird. It's too. Why can't I talk? Why can't I talk? Okay, one more time. Let's do this again. I should have taken some shots before this or something. Ow! Are you kidding me? Oh! It's called Spice, one is called GORG. Who is it? Ezra's at the door. Ezra! I'm almost done, baby. Hey, you're all dirty. Oh. You have cookies on your mouth, boy. Yes, you do. Hey. Say, can you please subscribe to me? Me, not you. Me.
Nina.